Bhagavad Gita, a soothing narration for sleep, peace, and stress relief. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Let the weight of the day fade away. In this moment, nothing else exists. Only you, your breath, and the wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita. Let these words guide you toward peace, clarity, and stillness. The battlefield of the mind. In the great land of Bharat, under a golden sky, a vast battlefield stretched far and wide, Kurukshetra, where two great armies stood, waiting, ready for war. Swords gleamed, banners waved, but amidst this chaos, a warrior stood frozen. His name was Arjuna. He looked across the battlefield and saw his own family, his uncles, his teachers, his loved ones, standing on the other side, ready to fight. His heart grew heavy, his breath uneasy. His hands trembled as he let his bow slip from his fingers. "Krishna," he whispered, his voice weak. "I cannot do this. How can I raise my weapon against my own kin? How can I fight a war that feels so wrong?" The eternal wisdom of Krishna. Flute music shifts slightly, becoming deeper and more reflective. He looked at Arjuna with kindness, yet with firmness, and he spoke. "Arjuna, why do you grieve for those who are eternal? The body is temporary, but the soul is beyond birth and death. Just as one changes clothes, the soul sheds the body and takes a new one. This war, this life, this moment, it is all but a passing dream. You are lost in your mind, caught between fear and attachment. But listen, dear warrior, the wise do not cling to what is fleeting. Rise above these doubts. Fulfill your duty without attachment to the results. Do not be chained by desire or fear. Act with a pure heart, and leave the outcome to the divine." The power of letting go. Arjuna's breathing slowed. He looked at Krishna, his eyes searching for clarity. "How do I free myself from this suffering?" he asked. Krishna smiled, his voice like a river flowing through time. "Let go, Arjuna. Surrender your worries to me. Detach from the illusion of control. Act with love, with duty, but do not be bound by the fruits of your actions. Just be and flow with life, as a river flows to the ocean. When you surrender with devotion, when you release your burdens, I will guide you beyond all suffering. Walk this path with faith, and you will know true peace." The awakening of Arjuna. Arjuna closed his eyes. He inhaled deeply, and as he opened them again, something had shifted. The fear, the doubt. It was no longer in his heart. There was only trust. Trust in the path. Trust in the divine. Trust in himself. He bowed to Krishna, gratitude in his soul. "I understand now. I will act not for myself, not for victory, but because it is right." And with that, Arjuna lifted his bow once more, not with fear, but with purpose. The sun rose higher in the sky, and the great war of Kurukshetra began. But in Arjuna's heart, there was no war. There was only peace. Like Arjuna, we all face battles, some within, some outside of us. We hesitate, we fear, we doubt. But Krishna's words remind us, you are not alone. You are more than this body, more than this moment. Surrender your worries, act with love, and let life flow through you like a river returning to the ocean. Now, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let this wisdom settle in your soul. Whenever you feel lost, whenever your mind is troubled, return to these words. The answers you seek are already within you. May you find peace. May you find clarity. May you find yourself.